trade every time.
What's up? No.
No, like when we get back and we go on another walk, I get it. Like take turns.
Fine. What's up, guys? Tell them where we're going, Soraya.
We're going to the cemetery.
That's right.
I'm gonna get you one of these for camp.
You know damn well we going to a scary ass place. You know damn well we ain't going to no fancy little place. No nature. Dead trees. Dead great.
Cemetery.
So where's the cemetery?
It is a little more up.
What's up, guys? So we're gonna see if we can catch anything. Who cares? We're gonna see if we can catch anything like ghostly, paranormal, you know?
And if we see our fans like getting all glitchy, we're literally freaking getting haunted. For real. And I always go to the cemetery on Halloween. Girl, you should keep coming to my house on Halloween because we go to the cemetery on Halloween.
On Halloween, it's my first time going to Halloween with Portia. We're gonna see if we can go. If we can't, I'll go with you.
Why don't you wanna come with me? We go all over the place. Are we gonna go to the cemetery?
But I'll come. Every time she mentions something about the cemetery, I'll come in a jiffy. Hey, shut up! Sorry, I had to yell at a bird.
So when we're coming back to my house and going to on another walk, I get the fan. Here, and any.
But if it's too hot, I'm not doing it.
Why?
Cause it's a hot day. My dad said, don't be in the sun for too much. Too much. Don't be in the sun for too much. You want to carry this? Yeah. Cause this thing's giving me. Please carry it.
What's giving you up?
It's giving me.
So, going to the cemetery. There's Selena's house.
Can you make this thing go like make it go like colder or?
That's the only it goes. But at least you got some air, right?
This is good. Life's good, real good.
I'm gonna get you one of those for camp if you want.
Oh, guys, by the way, what you mean by camp is we might be going to camp time together and seeing,
No, for camp, like real camp. Yeah, we go to camp. We're going to start going to camp at camp time. This is my second year. This is her first year going. It's really fun, and we get to do, like, slip and slides. We get to do all this fun stuff. And, yeah, and we are going to camp time to see the Stallions game. She might not be going, but I'm going. Which I'll be really sad if she's not going.
Yo, whose lawn is this?
Selena, our cousin. For babies. I'll leave you. You won't get to go to the cemetery.
Sam, you just really got and yes, we're allowed to curse.
Well, I'm not. You are. But
in my early videos,
ooh, what the heck?
I'm going to hunt. Portia and Mariah. Then we went to explore the woods with Portia and Logan.
Well,
and, oh boy, Logan ran into a pole 2 times. Now we're going to camp time.
oh, and you guys, just so you know, my name is Soraya. I'm her cousin. Can you hold it now? I've been holding it.
So guys, if you have seen my videos with Mariah and Portia and Logan, just know Portia will always be a OG member. Original. Girl, that's none of my business. This is a far walk, bro. If you guys were us, you would be in pain right now. My feet are cramping, bro. Are yours? Oh, God. People think little girls are too weak to go hiking. What are we doing right now? Henry? Is that Henry? If you guys haven't seen from one of our last videos, me, Portia rescued a baby bird that couldn't fly. And we gave it back to its parents. Now,
Wait, you picked it up?
yeah. Picked up a baby bird.
I'm on school.
Yo,
That guy. I'm school. Yo, it's a bird egg! No, don't put it in there. Shoot. That's a real egg.
Oh, it cracked.
You did that. Oops. You cracked it.
What do we do with it?
Let's take it with us.
Okay.
Ew, it's on me.
I can carry this thing.
Look for other places.
Guys, we just found a baby bird egg. I think this is the only one, bro. But we gotta be careful where we're walking now. Because they could be anywhere.
Stepped on it.
You're lucky you saw that.
I saw the baby bird egg and I thought remember when I saw the
Yo,
baby
be
bird
careful.
egg?
Be careful. Be careful. That's
Well,
gonna be...
remember in Patricia's yard, my neighbor, when I saw the baby
As we're
bird
talking about a bird, we see a baby bird egg.
For real, but it cracked. I hope the baby bird can still come.
I think it can, but
we
like...
will keep it warm.
Yeah, you gotta like... If you can't keep it, I can keep it. No, but if the Aunt Lisa doesn't let you keep it, I can keep it. And then... Oh, this is the cemetery.
Speaking of the bird, I see a bird.
Oh, I don't know what this is.
This is fucking scary. Vanessa, that's so close to the one here.
Can I see this? Can I pick it up?
No. Hold it.
No, 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 no. No.
No, come on.
Can we still save it?
No, that it's not gonna. You know. Let's look for more in that area. Don't save it. It's just the egg right now. It's just the egg. Don't save it. Nothing's gonna.
Don't.
Don't. It's not gonna. It's not
I'm
gonna.
gonna put it in its resting place.
Put it right here. Put it right here.
We are so sorry, whoever.
We didn't mean to kill you.
Should I just pour the yolk out of my
Yeah.
hand?
Sure.
That's its soul, bro. Why would I do that?
Put it right there.
That's messed up.
I'm sorry, baby bird.
Yo, she just cracked a baby bird egg. We will be right back to the cemetery, but we are looking for baby bird eggs, bro. Wait, pray. Pray.
God, I don't want this little baby bird to die, but I please.
Look in the grass, look in the grass. Yo, where? I think that was its kid. It was already cracked. It wasn't going to survive anyway. Wait, can you hold the camera real quick? I'm going to do something. Girl, hold the camera real quick. I'm gonna turn this off real quick. egg hunting, like somewhere on the street? Okay. Do you know a street that we would definitely find a baby bird?
My street. In my backyard. In backyards, there's usually baby bird eggs.
Yo, I can't believe we actually found a baby bird egg.
Oh my god.
That's luck, bro.
If we find another one, we can't let that one pass.
Yeah, that was my fault. I wanted to hold it in.
And then you just dropped it.
Well, basically, you put it on my hand, and then I put my hand away because I was gonna be like, never mind, and then it died. Whoa.
Because you didn't say never mind.
Yo, there's birds over there.
Not all birds are pregnant.
So we're gonna. Do you know how to climb trees?
Am I blind? No. Am I dumb? No. There's trees everywhere.
Do you know how to climb trees?
Climb?
Yes.
Yes.
Then you gotta climb trees to find the baby bird eggs, and we're gonna take them from
I
their
know where
parents.
there's a nest. And I should climb that tree where the nest is.
Alright.
I touched it. It's abandoned, but who knows? It could still live. It could still lay an egg in it.
Guys, we're about to go baby egg hunting. What? What? What?
They laid eggs. There's a bird in here that laid eggs. There's the bird.
Wait, wait, wait. We need that nest, bro.
Wait.
Baby.
Shake the tree.
How?
You think it left?
I don't know.
It did. Come on.
We gotta find the nest now.
I don't think there's a nest in here.
I'm gonna actually end this video and then make another one right now. So, BRB guys.